Alright guys, let's start with another video. This will be our, I'm going to erase this right here. This is from our last video, and I'm going to keep the int main in there for now. And this is going to be in regards to this time we're going to talk about a while loop. So this will be our last video, our last thing to learn about today. So we talked about the while loop. So let's start off with giving some type of variable. We'll start off with an integer. I'll just say day for day equals 1. We'll start off with a float amount. So we'll give it an amount equals, I don't know, 0.02. Alright, so now we need our while loop. So we'll say while, and you see automatically it does the condition. I'll say while the day is less than or equals 31. And you know, most months have 31, some have less. And then I'll have a print statement. I'll say printf, and then I'll have day percentage d, spell right, slash percentage amount. Let's see here what is going on. Alright, sorry. Alright, trying to watch the Pens game and do this at the same time. It's not fun. Alright, day 1, day percentage d, and then we have new line amount $, and then we're going to do a percentage .2f, which is for our format slash n, and then we'll do the day, and then we'll print out the amount. And let's see here. Now we'll say the amount times equals 2, and then we'll do day plus plus. Okay, and then we'll have our return 0 down here. 0 expression. Alright, so we're saying here is we're declaring the day equal 1, the amount is 0.02, and we're saying, hey, if the day is less than or equal to 31, print out the day, the amount, the day, and the amount. So let's just see how this works. Alright, so you see what happens here. Day 1 is 0.02, that's what we start off with. And then day 2, we're multiplying it, and it's going to be 4, and then it just keeps going off. 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 times 2 is 32, and 32 times 64, and so forth, and it just works its way down. And as you see here, we get all the way down to, eventually, it'd be nice if that's our salary, 21,474,836, which would be a nice salary per year. So this right here is your basic analysis of doing a while loop. Now, the while loop, you could change it around a little bit. You don't have to do while that this is that or that is that. The nice thing about it is you could do kind of anything at that point. We didn't even have to do times equal. You see how we have times equal here. This is if we wanted to, let's say that we wanted to do plus instead of times. And we did plus, and we ran it again, it would do plus instead of multiplication. So the amount is smaller because now we're doing addition instead of multiplication. But this while loop could be anything you want it to be. You're waiting for a condition to be met, and you're printing something. Now later on we'll talk about functions. Here you could actually call a function for some type of purpose. So this will continue. This right here ends our while loop section. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you for listening.